In the heart of Gotham City, hidden from the watchful eyes of the dark, Batman and Robin had a secret garden. The garden was filled with flowers of every color, and the air was full of the sweet smell of blooms. Batman and Robin loved their secret garden, a place where they could relax and talk after a long day of fighting crime. One day, they noticed something strange. A small, green leaf was growing in the shape of a bat, just like their symbol. "Look, Robin," Batman said, pointing at the mysterious leaf. "It's a sign from our friend, the Green Lantern." Robin looked at the leaf, and his eyes widened. "I think it's a sign that we should plant more flowers." Batman nodded in agreement. "Let's make our garden even more beautiful, Robin." So, they spent the day planting new flowers, and the garden bloomed more beautifully than ever before. The next day, they noticed something even more wonderful. The bat-shaped leaf had grown bigger, and it glowed with a soft, green light. "Wow, Robin!" Batman exclaimed. "I think our garden is magic." Robin giggled. "I think it's a sign that we're doing something good for Gotham City." From that day on, Batman and Robin visited their secret garden every day, nurturing their magical flowers and spreading the beauty of their garden to the whole city. And as the garden grew, so did the hope in the hearts of the people of Gotham City. The garden was a reminder that even in the darkest times, there was always a glimmer of light to guide them. The end.